welcome everybody. We are at Die and Mould Exhibition 2024 happening in Bombay Exhibition Center. I am at the stall of Phillips Machine Tools and I'm having with us Mahantesh with me. Welcome again on Machine Maker Mahantesh. We are going to talk about this newest machine which has been displayed for the very first time by Phillips Machine Tools,
Yes.
a Formlabs 3D printer.
Yes.
So, Mahantesh, what do you have to say about the features and about this particular collaboration of Philips and Formlabs?
Actually, this Formlabs is a portable machine we can carry easily, and in very short time we can print any prototyping. We have a variety of materials. Any material based on your application, you can print quickly. This is the plus point of this 3D printer.
And also, if you have to elaborate on the USPs of this particular product, like what makes this special, considering its features, what would you like to elaborate?
So actually, it's a biocompatible printer. You can use this one as an engineering application and biocompatible application based on your application. And also, it has we can print more than 40 plus material. It's not like other printers, not a long time taking process, very short time, and it's office friendly printer.
Also, talking about the collaboration of Formlabs and Philips Machine Tools, what do you see the future of this machine in Indian market?
Yeah, actually in Indian market, most of the industrial grade 3D printer cost is too high. All customers are not affordable to take the machine. It is a very affordable price, and it's a very cost effective. As per my knowledge, most of the small scale industries people also can keep this machine for their application.
So it's a wonderful opportunity for SMEs, MSME manufacturers to explore this particular innovation with Philips Machine Tools. Come down and see this Formlabs 3D printer which has been presented here. Thank you so much everyone.
Thank you.